Hi, in this video, I will show you how to delete files from Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage service provided by Google that allows you to store files and access them from any device with internet connection. Sometimes you may need to delete some files from your Google Drive to free up space or to remove unwanted files. To delete files from Google Drive, you first need to open Google Drive. You can do this by going to drive.google.com. and then by signing into your Google account. Once you have opened Google Drive, you need to locate the file you want to delete. You can do this by navigating through the folders in your Google Drive or by using the search function to search for the file by name. This is the search bar. You can enter the file name here. Once you have located the file you want to delete, this is the file we want to delete, textfile.txt. You can select single or multiple files here. So right click on that file and click on remove. File move to trash. If you change your mind and want to restore the file, you can do this by selecting the file in the trash folder and clicking on the restore button. If we go to trash, this is the file and you can click on restore button. If you are sure you want to permanently delete the file, you can do this by clicking on delete forever option. This will permanently delete the file. That's it. Deleting files from Google Drive is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.